Dear students, welcome to KPBHC online class English version. This is Aileen Parveen, your chemistry teacher. I hope all of you are fine. I have already finished your whole syllabus. Now I am going to revise some important chapters. Today I will teach you about valence electrons, valency, radicals and their valencies, and chemical formula of compounds under chapter 5. The name of the chapter 5 is chemical bond. The force of attraction that binds two atoms together is called chemical bonds. I repeat it again. The force of attraction that binds two atoms in a molecule together is called chemical bond. Now, what is valence electron? Valence electron. Valence electron, the number of total electron in the outermost energy level of an element is called valence electron. For example, the valence electron of nitrogen is 5 and the valence electron of oxygen is 6. Now look at the picture. You know the atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So, in the first shell there are 2 electrons and in the second shell there are 5 electrons. This is nitrogen atom. And you know the atomic number of oxygen is 8. So, in the first shell there are 2 electrons and in the second shell there are 6 electrons. Now look at the picture here. Second shell is the outer shell of nitrogen atom and outer shell of nitrogen contain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, the valence electron of nitrogen is 5. Now look at this picture. This is the electronic configuration of oxygen. And here the outer shell, that means second shell, contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the valence electron of oxygen is 6. Now, from the above discussion, we can say that we can identify the valence electron by using electronic configuration. And another important thing is to determine the valence electron, you have to count the total number of electrons in the outermost principal energy level. Now, our next topic is valency. Valency. Now, what is valency? The capacity of bonding an atom with another atom in a molecule is called valency. Usually, the valency of hydrogen is taken to be 1 and we can determine the valency of another atoms by using hydrogen. For example, valency of hydrogen is 1 and HCl. Here, one hydrogen atom binds with one chlorine atom. Since one hydrogen atom binds with one chlorine atom, and valency of hydrogen is 1. So here valency of chlorine is also 1. Now another example, H2O. This is water. Look at here. Here hydrogen, 2 atoms hydrogen combined with 1 atom of oxygen. Since 1 atom of oxygen combined with 2 atom of hydrogen, so valency of oxygen is 2. That means how many atoms combine, that means how many hydrogen atoms combined with another atoms is called valency of that atom. Now our next topic, valence, radicals and their valencies. Radicals and their valencies. Now, what is radicals? Sometimes a group of atoms combine together and receives hydrogen, receives positive and negative charges and acts as an ion, then they are called radicals. For example, when one hydrogen ion, 3 hydrogen atom and 1 nitrogen atom combine, they produce ammonium radical. This is ammonium radical. And it contains charge, positive charge. We can determine the valency of radicals by using their charges. For example, radicals phosphonium and its formula is PH4 plus. So its charge is +1 and valency is 1. Since its charge is +1, so its valency is 1. Another example, sulfate. Sulfate radical SO4 2 minus. Its charge is -2, so its valency is 2, and so on. Now I want to discuss about variable valence. Variable valency. Some elements have more than one valency. This kind of valency is called variable valency. For example, iron, Fe, that means iron has 2 variable valency, 2 and 3. Carbon has 2 variable valency, 2 and 4. And sulfur has also variable valency, 2, 4 and 6. That means it has 3 variable valency. Now another term, latent valence. Latent valence. Now what is latent valence? The difference between the highest valency and active valency is called latent valency. For example, ferrous chloride. Ferrous chloride. Here highest valency of iron is 3 and active valency 2. Active valency is 2. So difference is 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So in ferrous chloride, the latent valency of iron is 1. Now another example, ferric chloride. FeCl3, ferric chloride. Here highest valency of iron is 3 and active valency is also 3. So difference is what? 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So for ferric chloride there is no latent valency of iron. Now our next topic is chemical formula of compound. Chemical formula of compound. We can write chemical formula by using symbol and number of atoms in a molecule. Now, if we write a formula of water molecule, then at first we have to write symbol of atoms by which water molecule is formed. For example, H2O. In this case, 2 hydrogen atoms combine with 1 oxygen atom. To write this formula, first we have to write symbol of hydrogen and symbol of oxygen. Then we write the valency of these 2 atoms. You have already known the valency of hydrogen is 1 and the valency of oxygen is 2. Now next step, we have to exchange these valencies. That means the valency of hydrogen goes to oxygen and the valency of oxygen goes to hydrogen. That means valency of oxygen 2 goes to hydrogen atom and valency of hydrogen 1 goes to oxygen. But we cannot write 1. So the chemical formula of water is H2O. I hope all of you have understood that I have discussed so far. That's all for today. Thank you. Take care.